In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Mental stress is something very common indeed. All of us want to get rid of it. All of us want to enjoy the peace of mind. There are several techniques floating in the market, mean available to read and to listen, to read from the books and other printed material, and to listen from the motivational speakers from the mental health practitioners. So there are several techniques, and we are going to discuss about one technique which I have found very useful, quite effective, or at least more effective than all the other techniques I had tried earlier. At least this is more effective than all the other techniques I have tried earlier. So that is why I think that we should give it a fair try. I have given it a fair try actually. That is the reason that I am discussing the topic. That is why I wanted to communicate this technique to you, to the rest of the people as well. Now, first of all, coming to why we do feel the mental stress. That is something to be to discuss and to be debated upon. Why? Because this is the kind of first step to be able, like if at all somebody is getting a heartburn, somebody is like feeling a stomach pain, somebody is if there is something wrong physically, first of all she will like to know why did it occur. If at all they do consult the physician will like to determine, the physician think that it is important to determine first why did it happen first, and then only they will try to treat. The right diagnosis will be able to bring the right solutions, and the wrong diagnosis obviously will bring the wrong solutions. But now we do feel mental stress because we were expecting good, we were expecting fair play, we were expecting generosity, kindness, hospitality, and a very good behavior. But we don't we don't receive that. And once we don't receive the good, once we do get the bad, we feel hurt, we do feel mental stress, lack of peace in the mind, lack of peace in the mind. What to do now? What is the solution? The solution is not to expect the good. It is a very this concept is becoming very common. It is being heard from several mouths that don't expect good. Drop all of your expectations. If at all you want to remain happy, and if at all we do have cultivated, if at all we do have generated so many of the expectations from the life, from the people, from the loved ones, obviously these expectations are quite usually these expectations are not going to be met. And once these expectations are not going to be met, when we are going to be unhappy, we are going to become angry, we are going to become stressful, we do lose the peace of mind. Now, if at all we do want to gain the peace of mind, all what is needed is not to attach the expectation, not to expect the so much good from the people, rather to be prepared for the bad, rather to be prepared for the bad, and do think that the bad is not a bad. Excuse me. And do understand that the bad is not so bad. Something against your expectations is not the bad. Don't expect much from the people. Do not, the lesser your expectations from the people, the lesser your expectations from your loved ones. I am repeating these words, the lesser we expect from our loved ones, the easier, the happier, the more emotionally stable we will become. And it will not be easy for someone else to demoralize us, to somehow lessen our spirits. Don't expect so good from the people. No matter how good have you done with those people, even if you did the best with someone else, even if you did everything else from someone else, not to expect much from even that person. Even even if you have done almost everything for a person, and now it is very natural that you start expecting almost the same from that person, or you start expecting a very good behavior from that person, but she does not treat you the way you wanted to be treated. Obviously you are going to become hurt. But if at all you don't attach any sort of expectations even from a person for whom you have made countless sacrifices, not to talk about the other people, even you are not expecting so much from this person, the person for whom you have done almost everything, the person for whom you have made so many of the sacrifices. What is now? It's good. Don't attach expectations. Rather, be prepared for the bad. Be prepared for the bad. Be prepared for the bad. And once you are already prepared, you will not be, you will not come under the stress. You will not be losing the peace of mind. Rather, you will stay stable emotionally. Thank you. Jazakallah.